A beautiful day in paradise. We're back. Finally. Could go get some content later. Could not go get some content later. We'll see. Got the dirty scat out today. Anyways, bro, had to get right, man. Had to go buy all this stuff. So let's get right. Dang, the car's a mess. If y'all didn't know, I get buckets too. Can't nobody that's watching this video guard me. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Ask Dre what happened to him. Got my impact, got my sockets, got my torque wrench so I can set it at the right torque. Still got writing on this tire. Hopefully I get to burn it sooner rather than later, but we'll see because I'm headed out of town here soon. But yeah, I guess we'll get this thing jacked up, get these wheels changed, and yeah, I look, you only need to change one because I'm pretty sure this one, I mean, it's not good, but I mean, it still needs some burning off. I get my money out of my tires. If the wire ain't showing, I ain't going. You know the vibes. Anyways, I guess I'll turn y'all back on when I get this thing off. If I get it off. Well, got it off. Bruh. Had to hammer it up there. And then it's stuck in here. I could get it out of here. I will in a minute, but it's low-key cold outside. The other one, boy, it's stuck to the lip. I had to take a trip, man. I had to go see Pops, bro. You know it's bad when you gotta get your dad help, man. He OG for a reason, though. But yeah, got it off. I'm gonna just charge these to the game, bro. I'm gonna go get 2 lug nuts. Probably tomorrow, really. I don't feel like going tonight. I'm annoyed, bro. I'm about to show y'all. It's literally dark outside, bro. When I cut y'all off, it was daytime. Had Dash come through. No luck. Literally had to hammer these, man. Had to hammer them up there, bro. We got it off though, so I'm gonna go get 2 lug nuts, and then I'm gonna go back to this tire shop, and dude gonna have to give me my fair ones. But yeah, keep y'all updated. I was gonna go sliding tonight, cause bro leaves tomorrow, but don't think I'm gonna be able to, which really sucks, cause I really wanted to, but whatever. Stay tuned. As you can see, we got 2 out of 3 of them off. The rest of them should come off pretty easily, I hope. Because, man, I don't want to keep dealing with this, bro. I'm so annoyed. But, bro, dark outside. Literally. This is OD, man. And it's cold. But, nah, bro. Peep how this thing looks, bro. That's OD. That's OD. Them folks gonna have to see me, my boy. Never get my business again. Bro, it's cold. I'm annoyed. And I broke it, bro. I'm hurt. Drop a RIP to the homie, man. Been real since day 1, man. We'll get some content soon. We'll be back to sliding soon. Just made me want to slow down a little bit. Stop going through as many tires, but yeah, I know that ain't gonna happen. So stay tuned for what's next, man. Rest in peace to the homie, man. Yikes. All right, day 2. This should not have been a 2-day endeavor, but yesterday was cold. It was windy. I was annoyed. It's still cold. It's still windy. I'm still annoyed, but we're gonna get her done. Got two lug nuts. Golly, they were expensive, bro. They taxed. But charge it to the game. Got my spare right here, bro. The rim rash, boy. Oh my gosh. Granted, bought it off of a dude, and he gave it to me for the low because they were scratched, and I knew that. Plus, it came with brand new tires, so I'm cool with that. But sheesh, let's get her jacked up. Let's get this done. That took way longer than it was supposed to, but whatever. We got it done. Sheesh, we back. Dirty boy. Golly. Just got back in town. Duty calls. Hit Pennsylvania. It sucked. I hated every second of it. Ain't started to scatting for, what's today? I don't know, like 5 days. See what it sounds like. Chance of rain later, and I know if I wash it, it's gonna rain. It never fails. But I don't know. Who knows? Y'all might get a detailed video. We will see. Stay tuned for that. I need to get it clean anyways. Going to link up with Draco this weekend. Y'all already know the vibes. You know how it go when I go see bro. Well, so much for the cap. You know. Picked up that boy Dash Kage. Can confirm, did not clean my car at all. It started raining again. And you know, I'm not trying to go through hella tires, so here we are, sliding in the rain. Apparently some dude came out of his house, went back in the house and got on the phone. He's probably calling the boys in blue on me, but you know, if it's a chase, we not stopping. Anyways, hope you enjoyed me sliding a little bit. It's OD wet, man. I almost lost control of the scat a couple times. If I crash the scat because I want to be stupid in the rain, I might shed a tear or two, or 3, or 10. Nah, it's really crazy because earlier Dash called me a Neanderthal and I got so offended, but the second I saw a sprinkle on the ground, I was like, hey bro, you wanna go sliding, bro? You wanna go sliding? Hey man, wanna go sliding? This man told me to get a dash cam. Like, dang bro, it's not the same. You know you're a GOAT videographer. I'd hire you if I had money. So with that being said, you know, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, share this video. We're trying to get monetized this year so I can hire Dash so he can quit his job. That man does great camera work. Anything you want to say to the people, bro?
Help, I've been captured alive. Help me.
Ah, dang. Cutting that out. That boy, Freddy boy, every time we pull up with Brett, something goes wrong. Might stop hanging out with him for real. I always end up doing a burnout. At some way, shape, or form. It's cool, though. Ooh, a Challenger.
Ooh, he's standing.
This video will come out probably before I go see Dre. Just know me and Dre at Switching Gear got some big things planned. Stay tuned for that. I can't say too much, but y'all go subscribe to bro channel, man. I'll let him break the good news to y'all. Just know We taking over. 2024. 2023 was the introduction. 2024, we taking over. Yes, sir, ski.